Sophia Christina from Metro Raps, and I'm here with my buddy
Mission Flyer.
And today,
what are we gonna do?
We're gonna get hot and steamy.
Ayy, I'm on a mission, I'm flyer. I get that target acquired. Claiming you pass me, you liar. Watch how I'm speeding right by you. Burning rubber off your tires. Smoke clouds when I'm driving. No one can do it like I can. No one can do it like I can. No one can do it like whoa. Every day I'm touching road. Hellcat sitting low. I go 205 with I hit the nitro. I can't even let you get close. Jet fuel in the tank. Big blues in the bed. I had to up.
Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great, not so sunshine state of Florida today. It's been raining. I'm down here in Miami at Metro Raps. You can see my car on the window in the back, so you guys know why I'm here. I'm here to bring down the car to get one last wrap, and I'm sure you guys have an idea like how I wrap my cars, but this one's gonna be completely a different idea and approach on it. So it's a little noisy out here, so I'll take you inside. I'm not sure how much I'll be able to record with my voice inside because they're playing music, so you know, copyright. And yeah, so I'll go in. If anything, I'll just play some music or beats or something over the footage. Again, definitely thank you guys for rocking with me. Thanks for watching the channel. If this is your first time, not even your first time, definitely tap that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, future uploads, like, share, and comment on the videos. All right, let's get to it. As you guys can see, I'm here in Sweaty. I'm down here at Metro Raps. I came down to drop my car off to get it rewrapped. So this is the process I do of taking it off.
Talking to the moon and hiding through the window in my room. There's not much I love to say, and I don't have the strength to fight. I feel that inside like I've been buried in the grave, and you stepped in my soul alive. You stepped away. Oh, here's to you. I down a couple more to drown the pain. No, I'm not alright. I'm not gonna lie. I give up my life to have you in my life. Maybe in another life, it'd be just you and I never stopped loving you.
steam.
From Metro Wraps, and I'm here with my buddy
Mission Flyer.
And today,
what are we gonna do?
We're gonna get hot and steamy.
Woo! I know you guys, mine was in the gutter. We're getting hot and steamy. We're gonna use steam to remove the wrap off of the car. So we use the hot steam, remove it, and save the chrome.
I got it going on. Good gracious, I got some ovations. Just trying to show pay. I'm waiting for the right time to shoot my steez on. I'm coming in. Cause I got it going on. Good gracious, I got some ovations. Just trying to show pay. I'm waiting for the right time to shoot my steez on. I'm coming in. Cause I got it going on. Good gracious, I got some ovations. Just trying to show pay. I'm waiting for the right time to shoot my steez on. I'm coming in. Cause I got it going on. Good gracious, I got some ovations. Just trying to show pay. I'm waiting for the right time to shoot my steez on. I'm coming in. Cause I got it going on. Good gracious, I got some ovations. Just trying to show pay. I'm waiting for the right time to shoot my steez on. I'm coming in. Cause I got it going on. Good gracious, I got some ovations. Just trying to show pay. I'm waiting for the right time to shoot my steez on. I'm coming in. I'm leaving, please believe in. Leave the rest of my evening.